Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thanks so much for clicking on our video. You know, I'm excited. Everybody's stepping their toolbox game up. Makita. Wow, Makita stepping up their game. They've got this MAKTRAK toolbox system. It is coming out, and I figured I'd gather some information for now until I get my hands on the boxes. I'm going to cover the top 5 features in this video. I don't have the product yet, but I will have it soon. But why don't we go ahead and check out the top 5 features? Well, here it is, top feature number 1. You can open any box without unstacking. Let's check this out. Now this is amazing. I really like this. Top feature number 2, boxes can be placed in any direction. Let's check this out. Not bad. Pretty cool feature. Top feature number 3, it's got a hidden security slot. And you can even put like an Apple AirTag in there. That's kind of cool. Let's check it out. Now, I've never seen anything like that. I really like that. Top feature number 4, the dual hinge lid can open from any side. It can also be removed. I like that. A dual hinge system is just amazing. And it's nice. You can take the lid off as well. So pretty cool feature. Top feature number 5, the retractable handle is side mounted to prevent interference. I like the design. It's pretty cool. You got to give it to them. It's an interesting design. It has some similarities, but it works. Look out, we got a bonus feature here. Top feature number 6. The lids offer multiple mounting points for interior organization. Let's check that out. I could see this working for a lot of people, definitely. All right, you want more information? Well, after these 2 little clips that you're watching end, I'm going to give you weight capacity, measurements, and some key features on all of the Makita boxes coming out. So stay tuned because it's coming up in a moment. So here's the information on the toolboxes. We'll start off with the base, the rolling tool chest, part number T90009. No pricing on any of these, by the way, okay? The weight is 38.45 pounds. You can hit pause if you want to read the rest. And here is an image with the weight capacity, the measurements, and any optional accessories. Next item is a large toolbox, part number T90015. And the weight is an estimated 21.25 pounds. So it's not exact weight. Here is the weight capacity and the measurements with optional accessories. Next item is the extra large extension toolbox. Now, why do they call that a extra large extension toolbox? Well, let me tell you, it's because it actually slides right on the handle, right next to the tool chest. All right, part number is T90021, estimated about 15 pounds. Here is the weight capacity and the measurements. Next item is a medium toolbox, part number T90037. Estimated weight is about 14 pounds. Here's your weight capacity and measurements. And the deep medium organizer, part number T90043. Estimated about 9.5 pounds. Here's your weight capacity and your measurements. And the low profile medium organizer, it's T90059, weighs about 5.8 pounds. Again, that's an estimated weight, just so you'll know. And you can see the measurements there. The deep compact organizer, T90065, estimated 5 pounds. And here's the measurements as well as some optional accessories. By the way, if you want to see this video that's right on your screen, it's a head-to-head with Tough Built Stack Tech and Klein Mod Box, by the way, head-to-head, showing all the nooks and crannies. If you want to see this, I am going to put the word head-to-head in the upper right-hand corner in a moment. And all you got to do is click on that. I'll also put the link in the video description. Well, here it comes. Here's the word head-to-head. Click on that, and you'll be able to watch the video. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. Well, I sure hope you found the information helpful. We're definitely looking forward to getting our hands on these boxes. But in the meantime, if you could, give us a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Share our video with your friends and your family. And by the way, follow us on social media. We'll put our social media on top. We'll put our Tesla channel in the upper right-hand corner. We don't have a lot of videos yet, but look us up at My Tesla Journey 1 on YouTube. I'll put a video here if you want to check it out right here. And if you want to subscribe to our channel at techmadeezy, go ahead and click that round techmadeezy logo, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel and join the family. Hey guys, thanks so much for your time today. Have a great day.